President of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, Ingrid Graham, says players from this year's prep and primary schools league will be selected to represent Jamaica in Mexico later this year. Graham was speaking at the launch of the competition on Friday.
90% or 95% of the athletes we have at the national level come from this program. So we are starting the league and it's going on in full swing. So we have to get the ball rolling on this. We actually begin the league on May 29, and then we will have the singles event in the first week of June, because we'll be now scouting new players to represent Jamaica in the U11 and U13 tournament that will be happening in Mexico.
Graham says while some schools have already registered, the door is always open for more to come on board.
As registration has started, we have sent the links out to the various schools, but if off the top of our head, probably about 10 schools so far that has confirmed, and we have more coming in. It's May 22nd. I close off, I think, at 4 p.m. But even if the deadline is passed and you're interested to come on board, we will extend.
In Sports was also present to lend a helping hand.
We at the Institute of Sports, we're big on unearthing talent, right? From the grassroots up. We are very involved in, especially the young kids, right? Table tennis as it stands is not very popular, it's not a very popular sport, and we have the expertise there. So with that, we are very involved with the Jamaica Table Tennis and their competitions. We assist them the best way possible.
At the end of the competition, the winners of the prep and primary sections respectively will face off for a chance to be crowned the champion of champions.